TheSmartLocal.com.
How can you get B right and not A? That doesn't make any goddamn sense. Normally it's the other way around, right? Hi.
Are you good at math?
I was good at math until I hit JC, then I didn't understand anything.
Yeah, same for me. Half the time I was copying my friend's homework.
If you copy people's homework, then you will do very badly for your exams. Right?
No, I still get B also. Yeah.
So you copy, you still do well.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you suck at math. The time you do budget already, she can't already.
Okay, but I need to say that like, he's from Hwa Chong. So
Hwa Chong can't be bad at math, man.
cannot. You cannot be bad at anything. Every time you all pair me with the IP students, right, they never take O level one eh. But then after they come here, then they smarter than me. How? I take O level eh.
I forget everything already.
I think math was a subject that I struggled a lot with when I was in school because it's like I remember crying the most about it. Yeah.
Do you know I nearly failed it for O levels?
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm not a very smart kid when it comes to math.
Then how was your O level E-math results?
A1.
Okay, I got A2.
I take A maths, right? I actually initially jumped from F9. I'm not kidding.
What
I went for
was-
some.
what was your
I went
secret?
for some magical tuition.
I got A2 for both, which I was very proud of.
O level E-math.
I got A1, I think.
What's your
A-math I
A?
never get A1.
So you get A2?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, I'm about to you. You come here and try to pretend like you're not good at math, but yeah, you are. I've always been told by my math teacher that like if I go do O levels, I'll fail.
For E math, it was B3. And for A math, it was B4.
You know, I'm those irritating people like.
Oh my god, I never started.
But for E-math, I got A1. A-math, I got A2. No, I think O-level math, right, is like all about practice one. You know the
Okay,
10-year,
that's true,
the 10-year
yeah.
series, I did how many times or not? I did 3 times eh.
On this episode of Singaporeans Try, you guys will be taking O level E-math paper 1.
Oh my god, we are reliving our nightmare. The reason why we cry.
I forgot that there's a 1, 2, 3 kind of
Oh
thing.
yeah,
Like
it's
paper one and
it's
paper two
separate.
kind of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay,
Wait, so
okay.
paper one is multiple
Easy
choice or
one.
something, right?
Is it?
No, it's not.
Wait, then which was the multiple choice one?
It's not multiple choice in O level.
There was no multiple choice in O level math.
Hey, sorry man, I don't even know what's paper 1
Hey,
and paper 2.
time out. Wait.
Actually, now I'm trying to think, did I really get A1?
Question 1. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form.
1 over 2x minus 3 minus 3 over 3x minus 1.
I don't remember you like got like X and Y one. I always remember as like 3 out of 9 you make it into 1/3. Right?
This is coming back to me. I think I can. Don't copy my answer.
I think it's coming back to me also. Wait, okay, I don't copy yours. Integrity.
I'm just looking for inspiration.
Oh no! I'm stupid. Okay, wait.
Oh, this is damn bad.
Think about mathematics, working always counts. So let's say, if you're not sure whether to open or not, you just open, then no, as in you open here but you close here. So it's on the paper, the teacher will be like, hey, but he got think of it, maybe can give half mark.
So he will leave it as the bracket version and I'll
Yeah.
leave it as the squared version.
To me, this is the simplest form.
To me, this is the simplest form.
Yeah,
I don't know which I got it.
that's why.
I just let the spirit of Lester when he was 16 take over, and this is why you can. Hey, no, wait. No, they put it into the bracket. They never expand the bracket.
Oh my god, I'm almost, but I was 8 because I got an 8 minus 3x back, correct?
I got it wrong.
Simple means like got brackets. But to me, simple means like expanded out all. Oh, you're right!
See, the thing about mathematics, sometimes you overthink it. Right or not? Then we doubt ourselves, that's why we feel stupid, then later we cry.
I'm so sad now, you know,
Stay
because y'all
humble.
said that this is the easiest one.
E equals to integers. X is more than 4, less than 16.
P is prime number, Q is multiples of 4,
For R is factors
factors
of 30.
List the elements.
In R.
Then part 2 is P.
Shit, I forgot what is that.
What is the thing? P is a subset of R. Is that what it means?
Is it subset?
So, for example, if P is prime numbers and then we have R, which is factors of 30, so this is the answer that we're looking for.
Yes.
Which is the
Right. Right. Intersection. Okay.
I
I don't know whether I'm correct.
So
but then to
factors
me,
of 30
means like what times what give you 30? What are the numbers that times each other can give you 30? You know what I mean?
Okay.
You know what I mean?
That would be very simple if I knew what prime numbers meant.
God, what is prime numbers?
Is 1 a prime number?
Yeah, that's always the
That's the question, right? You bring 1 now.
numbers.
I got an idea. Why don't right? Take 1 for the team, right? Okay, so the two of us.
I
are
erase
team.
1 ah.
You erase 1. And then at least one of us get correct, so we both don't look like we do that.
Okay, this is our answer. R is 5, 6, 10 and 15.
And
I
then
is 5.
I don't know.
Well, I'm doubting my own reality. I feel like this whole exercise is making
I'm
my
so
mind a bit.
Just give us the answer, please.
Yay! Yay! Good job!
I am very sure that it's wrong. Roll it back, roll it back.
You know why? It's because it's the number is in between 4 and 16. I feel.
Because we should have put the E in the question, you know? When it's not in the framework of school, it just doesn't make sense at all. Imagine you write your email, right? Then you write the E equals X, whatever. Then later you go on and tell your clients, oh, by the way, R and P and R.
Yeah, that's why it shows that math is totally useless now.
These are the first 4 terms in the sequence. Find an expression in terms of n, the nth term of the sequence. This is one of those questions that them asshole, right? Your first question, right? If you get wrong, the second question wrong already. So basically, this whole 10 mark you got already. Don't need to think about it already.
If anything, right, I was pretty good at patterns last time. You know, in primary school lah.
3, 4, 6. I see you looking at my P. I see.
Adria, how do you get this? How can you get B right and not A? That doesn't make any goddamn sense. Normally it's the other way around, right?
Oh my god! I never solved for part A, I just solved for part B. I still his answer.
So, the nth term is basically...
I solved it
I don't know how I got part A, but yeah, part B.
by looking at me.
Yay!
Good job, Adria.
Never simplify lah. I knew something was off.
It's not wrong.
Yeah, it's not wrong. It's
It's
just
not
that
wrong,
missing
not
the answer mark
simplify.
because I never simplify. But they never say simplest term.
Yeah, I want to be a complicated expression.
I think I'll get like half mark off for this
How
answer,
come?
right? Because
yeah,
I didn't
because
expand it out.
You didn't like put as the
But
final.
still, no, though, the
Yeah,
logic
never mind.
makes sense.
It's still correct.
Give me all the pattern questions, guys. Just don't give me stuff with weird squiggly letters and whatever not. Those I cannot.
A bag contains some red counters, some blue counters, and some yellow counters. The probability of choosing a red counter at random is 0.45. The probability of choosing a blue counter at random is 0.3.
Find the probability of choosing a yellow counter at random. And B, in the bag there are 9 more red counters than the blue counters. Find the total number of counters in the bag.
But it's like percentage.
Oh, that's what I was thinking also. 0.45 is 45%.
Yeah,
And
then
probability of choosing a
blue
blue
is
counter
30%.
30%.
So yellow is the remaining
Why my answer like wrongly? Oh, I read question wrongly. No wonder. Lucky I see my partner just like. Can you imagine this is the 4th question and I make careless mistake in every single question?
Oh my god. Once again, right? She does some quirky ass thing, right? And then end up correct answer. You are basically did what I did just in a quirky way only.
We got
You're
the
gonna
same
say your
answer.
answer. But you know what's the difference?
I got it without even writing any formula. I just write the answer out.
No, but you must show your working together points.
Hello, this one is supposed to just get the answer.
Answer. Yeah, good job.
Also cause like I checked that, method correct. But careless mistake.
Method wrong to have you so much.
I see.
As a person, right, I don't really do decimals very well.
Okay.
So I feel like I'm more comfortable with fractions.
Okay.
So I changed everything to the same denominator, which is upon 20.
Yay! I'm very good. I just like only. Nice. Okay, 60. What the heck? Yours got X all. It then flex What?
Oh my god, is this Annette and Ben? Okay.
Huh? The names are not
Ben.
intentional?
And then Ben.
Oh my gosh, I need to show Ben this.
Hurry up.
Wait. Can I just take a photo first?
Might as well say their full name and
Annette
his
and
phone.
Ben can each have a savings account. The ratio of Annette savings to Ben savings is 7
Ben,
is
you need to save more money, man.
I got more. They each spend $60 on their savings. The new ratio is now N savings to Ben savings 3:2. Find how much money N now has in her account. Okay.
I'm actually a bit unsure about ratios.
Oh my god, why is it getting worse? It's getting worse. Oh my god, my answer is negative eh.
This is not easy. Who say easy? Based on who? Zain has been practicing. Actually, I see him doing like office hours. He's practicing.
So basically 7 to 5. No, so basically 1 unit is 60.
His answer.
whatever lah,
420. 420 blaze it.
N has $360.
I think I'm wrong. I think it's 360. Oh, yeah, correct lah. Oh my
Oh my god, am I wrong then?
Yeah, that's why my logic I kinda stuck.
Yeah, so my
because,
logic
like,
doesn't
here
make
cannot.
sense.
See, I told you already. You understand or not?
No, it has now in her account. That's
Also,
why.
it's 6.
So 6. Stupid.
Yeah, that's why you keep saying
correct
7.
lah. Correct
You keep saying 7, then I'm like,
yeah.
what's happening?
Correct lah.
Last question. Oh, I hate diagrams. In the diagram, A, B, C and ADE are triangles such that ABC equal angle ADE. Show that the two triangles are similar.
Given that AC equals to 12 cm and AB equals 10 cm and AE equals 9 cm, show that CD equals 4.5 cm.
It's a triangle lah. How different can a triangle be?
Can already. So since they have 2 of the angles are the same, then the last
They just
angle
need
is
to find the last one. Yeah, correct. So if 2 of the angles are the same, the last one has to be the same.
So it's kind of like ratio because the only way to find CD is you must find So it's 80 minus 80.
You know what? Thanks for helping me with the ratio part. Now I'll rationalize. Wait. I get what you're trying to say. Now I just need to visualize automatically.
12 divided by 9.
It's 3.
No.
Sorry.
It's 4 thirds.
This kind of question, right? If you cannot do A, never mind. You skip. You can do B.
B, yeah. This one is the no relation kind of question.
Yeah,
Don't
you just
miss it
do.
out.
Just
Yeah.
do.
Okay, I did my B already. You want to we combine answer A and B, then half point each. Yeah, correct. I'm correct.
So my explanation will work, right? Okay,
Yeah, that means correct already.
I don't know how to
correct.
express it.
Yeah. Good job.
Is it correct?
Yay! Woo woo!
By AA similarity test.
Exactly.
Yeah, if 2 angles are the same, then by default the third one
Yeah,
will be also.
correct. Yeah.
I see.
Because it's like the 180 thing you say what?
Okay.
So how were the questions?
I feel it's very nostalgic.
Wow.
Like that's how I felt. I think if I keep doing it, eventually everything must slowly come back. It's like
Yes.
somewhere there.
Very difficult. Other than the pattern one.
Yeah, for me everything was difficult except the first one. Because I remember breezing through the paper generally. For E-math lah.
I mean, recently I did the science O-level one. Cannot lah, sia.
The science you don't know, you don't know.
Yeah,
You know?
I feel that at least for the math one, I thought it would be like the science one, right? But then actually, right, if you read the question properly
Yeah.
and don't be careless and stuff like that, right? I would say that actually today, right, we know how to do the questions.
You can logic your way through things.
Yeah, I
I
suddenly
got it.
realized that was always how I sort of powered through my math papers using a bit of logic.
Do we think we can do E-math paper 2? I don't think so.
If it's only paper 1 and it's like sometimes when you like worth 1 mark, right?
Yeah.
But then I spend so much logic and time and whatever. Paper 2 is like
Yeah.
they give you probably like maybe lesser questions but longer, right? Like paper 2 they know that it's a long question, so they
Yeah.
give you like 4-5 marks at least, you know,
Yeah,
or something, right?
yeah,
Then you have the you justified that you use a lot of time to do it.
And
mah.
evidently she needs the
That kind
timer.
of thing.
I mean, we can try, but who knows?
But I
hate
think if it's like
those.
formulas, right, my brain cannot. Yeah. I'm the kind of person.
Thank you for watching this episode of Singaporeans Try.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the notification bell and watch all our other videos over there.
Bye!
All the best for email!
All the best!
Study!